Hello all, welcome to part 48 of Cucumber BDD training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to publish Cucumber reports to the cloud forever by using an environment variable or by setting an environment variable. Okay, so as you already know guys from the previous sessions that the published Cucumber reports on the cloud will stay only for 24 hours. After that, they will automatically get deleted. But what if you want to publish these Cucumber reports onto the cloud forever, what we have to do, I'm going to cover in this session. Now, let me quickly switch to this Eclipse IDE and I'll run this. Okay, I'll run this Cucumber project with the help of this runner class using JUnit. And you will see that in the report, a Cucumber report, okay, will be published to the cloud, but it will mention that it will expire in 24 hours and you have to change some settings. It will mention, okay, we'll see that. Right click on this and say run as JUnit test. So here I have done some settings where the report is being published to the cloud guys without any problems. Okay, just scroll down and you can see in the Eclipse output console, you will see that view your Cucumber report at this URL. Okay, this is a report which got generated on the cloud. You can see that report guys. When you copy paste, if you get any additional symbols apart from whatever that are mentioned here, 6C1 is there, HTTPS is there, everything is fine. HTTPS yes, so no need to worry. If any additional symbols comes, you have to remove. You see this particular report is published onto the cloud, but here a message is coming saying that this report will self-destruct in a day. Okay, using this URL, you can access this report for 24 hours after its generation. But there's an option to keep your future reports forever. What is that option? What we have to do for keeping this particular report stored in our someplace forever instead of self-destructing in a day or getting deleted in 24 hours. Okay, so what we have to do for that, the solution is also there in the Eclipse output console guys. Okay, after this line you can see another line is that this report will self-destruct in 24 hours. But if you want to keep your reports forever, you have to access this URL. It is saying copy this URL guys, copy this URL and again open a new tab. You see some symbols are coming after profile, delete that symbols guys and you'll get that. Okay, now it's asking you to log in. Please log into access this page. Okay, so it's not allowing you directly to access the profile. You have to have a profile. Which profile? GitHub profile. Okay, so if you don't have an account with GitHub before this, you have to create an account for GitHub and come back here and log into GitHub guys. Okay, it's very simple to log in, create an account with GitHub. Just go to github.com and here you'll have sign up option and all those stuff. Okay, github.com. Just go to github.com and sign up guys. Okay, that's very simple. Now, after you have an account with the GitHub website, that is github.com, then you can log in here. I'll click on login. It will automatically log me in, guys. For you, it may ask you username, password, but since this browser is storing my credentials, it automatically got logged in here. Okay. Now here, you need to create a collection, guys. Okay. You need to create a collection where you want to, collection is like a folder where you want to store all your reports. Okay. And those reports are not going to be deleted in 24 hours. They are going to be there forever for you. Okay, under that collection, if a particular report is published means it will be there forever. Okay, so I'll just give some name here guys. Okay, CR. Okay, CR C report. Okay, Cucumber reports, C reports. I'll say create new collection. Here you see I tried all this earlier, multiple, but for you if you are new to this, only one whatever the collection you are creating, right, that will be created. Okay, so C reports, it's taken us to the C reports guys, and here you see once I created a collection, you see it's giving me some name, environment variable name for setting, and other thing is the token. Okay, so what we have to do, this particular token we have to copy this, and here click on the search and type CMD guys, and right click on this command prompt and say run as administrator. Open the command prompt in administrator mode. Just click on it on this user access control and you'll get this command prompt. At this command prompt, we just copy this. Okay, environment variable name, copy this guys for now, and here write a command set x space, okay, / capital M space, and copy paste this name of this variable. Right click here, it will be copied. After copying here, right click, it will be pasted. Okay, give a space and put colon, and now copy this part. Sorry, I just went somewhere else. Just click back, it will come back. Yeah, copy this token ID, unique token ID of this particular C report collection for now. Paste it here after the double quote and end it with double quote, okay? And provide double quote here and press enter. You will get a message like success, specified value was saved, okay? Then close the command prompt. Now, what is the next thing that you have to do is you have to restart your machine, okay? So I'll restart my machine, guys, and then I'll continue, okay? So I'll restart my machine. After restarting my machine, I'll pause this video and resume this video after restarting my machine, okay? So I have restarted my machine, guys. After setting this environment variable, I've restarted my machine, okay? So I'm resuming the video now, okay? I have paused the video and, I have restarted my machine and again, I have resumed the video now. So my machine got restarted after setting this environment variable, okay? These steps are done. Let me quickly switch to Eclipse IDE now. Now, let me run this using JUnit. This time in the Eclipse IDE output console, we should get a proper output, guys. It should not say that your report is going to destruct in 24 hours. That message we should not get, okay? We'll see that in action. And in whatever the collection we have created before restarting my machine in the, I have configured some collection, right? In that collection only, C reports collection, if you remember, in that collection only our report will be there and it will not be deleted, guys, okay? So right click here and say run as this runner class, run as JUnit test. All the Cucumber tests will run in this particular project. And after running, we'll get this kind of report, Eclipse IDE output console, sorry. Just scroll down to the end and you see, view your Cucumber report at this location. And now it is saying that it's not saying your report is going to expire. It's saying that this report was published in collection C reports. How to go there actually? So here, guys, we'll go to this location. Either you can access this report here. This report is not going to be deleted, guys, okay? It's not going to expire after 24 hours. It's going to be there. You see, when I copy pasted that URL, right? Some symbols are coming before HTTPS and some symbols are coming after this number 2. You can see in the URL is up to CA2. So you have to make sure that it's up to CA2 and press enter, guys. Okay. Now you see Cucumber reports. You see the report is available where? Under the C reports. You can see that you are not getting your report will be, kind of deleted automatically after 24 hours. You are not getting. This is a forever report, guys. Whatever the report you are seeing is a forever report. But there's an option, guys. You can delete this report if you don't want this to be there forever. They are providing a flexibility of this delete report button where you click on that and confirm that it will be deleted, guys. Okay, even from this collection also. You see, this is the collection. I still got logged in. Okay, so click on C reports. In this C report, one report got published, guys. You see, this is the report. A minute ago. Okay, some report name is not coming, but you see, status passed is coming. Okay, just click on this. You'll get that report. Okay, you'll get that report. Just go back, refresh once. You can generate any number of times you can run this, guys, and every time you see, we'll get a report here. Again, let me run again. One more report will be stored into that C report scene. Because we have set an environment variable to publish our Cucumber reports on the cloud into that particular collection, okay, on the GitHub. So now it got generated. Again, the same thing, guys. Let's go back and refresh here. You'll get one more thing. You see, a few seconds ago, one more report got generated here. 2 minutes ago, this is the first report. And a few seconds ago, another report. This is second report, okay? You see, you can delete the report if you want manually, okay? Done. So this is how, guys, this is a way to publish the Cucumber reports onto the cloud forever, okay? By setting up an environment variable of that particular collection, guys, as explained in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye.